Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can conduct various giveaways in Instagram, YouTube. So normally people ask YouTubers ask the people to comment with various things in YouTube and in Instagram to pick a winner to enter into that competition. So I will show you how the entire thing works. So for that we need some videos to get started. So let me take some popular videos I have. So let me take the link of this video. So let me take this link. Now what I will do is I'll go to YouTube comment picker. Okay, so there are a couple of comment pickers that is available. So I'll go to this one. So here you can see various giveaways that can be conducted using Instagram, Facebook, and various other tools that is available. So now let me go to that YouTube comment picker. So YouTube comment picker is a free tool to choose a random winner from YouTube video for your YouTube giveaways, promotion, sweepstakes, or contests. Okay, so this is the free plan and premium plan, but free plan will be good enough for most of you. So I'll put the link to that YouTube video. So now if I want to add multiple, I can add multiple link also, but that is a premium functionality. So YouTube giveaway settings and filters. I'll filter duplicate users, filter comments by words or hashtag. I can filter it. Now on the number of winners I need only one winner. So in the animation, how long I want the animation to be? I want the animation to be 20 seconds. Okay, so wheel of names, maximum one winner at once, spinning names. So let it be spinning names. So this is the captcha that I want to solve. So let's pick the YouTube winner for this. Okay, so amount of unique comments is 45. So where is it spinning? Let's see, what does it work? Okay, amount of unique comments is 45. Okay, so I want to get the winner, random comment. Okay, it is chosen by that. Now let's see how to get the winner here. Okay, so now if you go here, I'll say choose the winner by random comment, then I'll hit enter, I guess here. Yeah, I'll hit enter. So free users can get maximum 250 comments. Upgrade to for unlimited comments is what it's saying. So we don't support private or removed videos or videos with comments disabled. It's saying that also. Okay, so it is taking 20 seconds for the animation. Maybe because of that it's taking some time. So let's change that to 3 seconds. Enable sound. Then yeah, that should do it, I guess. Right? How to select winner for YouTube? One is add YouTube video, press YouTube comments, press start to select a winner. Okay, this is the option there. Okay, so that is what it was about. So now here, now start raffle and pick a winner. Okay, so this is what it's about. Now if you look at it, I'll have to press start. This is all comments. It has picked the winner. This is the winner that it has picked, I guess. Yeah, it has picked the winner. This is the comment that it has picked as winner. So let's close this and see some other way. Instead of this, let it show a wheel of names. Okay, yeah, this looks much better, I would say. All the names and comment picker. Who's the winner? Okay, this is the winner. This person is the winner. Let's try one more time. I liked it. Okay, now I'll see. this is the winner this time. You can also have the option of screen recording it. You can see this option. Now if you come here, you can see various other types of winner picker, that is Instagram comment picker, Instagram giveaway picker. So I have created Instagram giveaway picker. Okay, so I have come here, and here to pick the winner, I had to log in with Facebook. Then I can choose my post. Then I can select the number of winners and show random names, and based on that I can pick the winner. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.